So for this problem in conservation of energy, we're talking about how mech A and E mech B are equal. So here we have the equation for E mech A. We have that it's 1/2 mva squared plus mgha plus 1/2 kx squared equal to, here we have the equation for E mech B, 1/2 mvb squared plus mghb plus 1/2. Now in our case, this value is 0, this is 0 for E mech A, and for E mech B, this is 0 and this is 0. So in reality, we're just left with 1/2 kx squared is equal to mghb. So if we want to solve this to see what it actually equals, what number they're both equal to, we solve for HB. We're trying to find HB. So we have that HB is equal to 1/2 kx squared over mg. Now we can just plug in the numbers from question 1 in conservation of energy. And the numbers are 10 cubed times 7 times 10 to the negative 2 squared, all divided by 10, which is mg. So we have that is equal to, so hb is equal to 1/2 times 100 times 49 times 10 to the negative 4, which is also, once you solve this, you'll get the answer, which is that hb is equal to 0.25 meters. So that is the maximum height. That's what we just found.